Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to update Trezor Suite. Start by closing other applications and unlocking your computer. Connect your Trezor device and enter your PIN when prompted. Open Trezor Suite and allow it to detect your device. If prompted, approve the connection on the hardware wallet. Ensure you have your recovery seed nearby, but do not enter it unless explicitly requested by the device. Open your browser and download Trezor Suite from the official distribution channel and verify the checksum to ensure integrity. Run the installer with administrator privileges and follow on-screen prompts until installation finishes. Launch Trezor Suite and allow any required permissions. When Suite launches, reconnect your device and confirm the device fingerprint matches the app display. Avoid installing from unknown mirrors or compressed attachments to reduce security risks. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. It really helps. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite makes reading guides and security docs easy and comfy, perfect for learning about wallets and firmware while you relax. I find it great for long manuals and offline reading during setup. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. When Trezor Suite detects available firmware, click the Update button and follow the clear on-screen prompts. Approve each action on your hardware wallet and do not interrupt the USB connection during flashing. The device will display progress and reboot once complete, then verify the firmware version in Suite. If the update fails, retry after restarting Suite and reconnecting, and consult official recovery steps only if required to avoid losing access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.